time. Claudia, he like his bones. No! I almost broke my bones actually. Try number 3. That was the fourth try. He gave it a phone. I recently hit his feet. Oh, look at it. It's usually like that now. Look. Stop showing my feet. They're gonna think I'm weird. Stop. Whatever. Stop. Behind the scenes. And this is our our second one. What do you mean second one? I mean, I don't know. Okay, just go out. Oh, but okay, that's enough now. Thanks, guys, for watching. I think this is the tip. Last. This is not the last one. We're still gonna make more. If 3 minutes is done, it's a good dog. I've been doing this for 3 minutes. Okay, that's good. Good, it's not last. 3, 2, 1. Okay, last one, bye. No, it's not.